I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Ford Edge. First, ensure you have essential safety gear, including gloves and eye protection, readily available. Park the assisting vehicle close enough for the jumper cables to reach, but do not allow the vehicles to touch each other. Both cars must be completely turned off before you begin any connections. Finally, locate the positive and negative terminals on both batteries. Now let's connect the cables. First, attach one red positive cable clamp to the positive terminal of your Ford Edge's dead battery. Then, connect the other end of that red cable to the positive terminal of the good battery. Next, connect one black negative cable clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Ford Edge, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, start the engine of the assisting vehicle. Let it run for at least 5 to 10 minutes to allow some charge to transfer to your Ford Edge's battery. After this charging period, try to start your Ford Edge. If it doesn't start on the first attempt, wait another few minutes before trying again. Avoid cranking the engine for more than 15 seconds at a time. Once your Ford Edge has successfully started, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. First, turn off both vehicles. Then, carefully remove the black negative cable from the metal ground point on your Ford Edge. Next, disconnect the other end of the black negative cable from the assisting vehicle's battery. Finally, remove the red positive cable from both batteries, starting with the assisting vehicle. Drive your Ford Edge for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.